The Supreme Court of India has strongly condemned the practice of seat blocking during NEET PG counseling, calling it a serious threat to merit based medical admissions. The court emphasized that this widespread malpractice puts higher ranked candidates at a disadvantage and must be curbed with systemic reforms. A bench of Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Justice R. Mahadevan observed that seat blocking is not just an isolated issue, it reflects a deep structural flaws in how postgraduate medical seats are allocated in India. Seat blocking typically happens when candidates take up multiple seats as a backup, then abandon the less preferred ones after securing admission elsewhere. These vacated seats reopen later in mop up rounds, but by then, many deserving candidates have already locked in less preferred options. This opens the door for lower ranked candidates to secure better seats while top scorers lose out. The court said this practice turns the admission process into a game of chance rather than one governed by merit and fairness. It blamed fragmented governance, lack of transparency, and weak policy enforcement for allowing this problem to persist. To tackle this, the court issued 10 comprehensive directions. Implement a nationally synchronized counseling calendar to align state and all India quotas. Enforce mandatory fee disclosure by all private and deemed universities before counseling. Establish a centralized fee regulation framework under the National Medical Commission. Allow upgrade windows post round 2, enabling students to shift to better seats without reopening counseling. Ensure transparency in multi shift NEET PG exams by publishing raw scores, answer keys, and normalization formulae. Other key directions include impose strict penalties for seat blocking, such as forfeiting security deposits, disqualifying repeat offenders, and blacklisting complicit colleges. Introduce Aadhaar based seat tracking to prevent multiple admissions. Hold state authorities and institutional heads accountable for rule violations. Implement a uniform counseling conduct code across states for standard eligibility, mop up rounds, and grievance handling. Create an independent oversight mechanism under the NMC for annual audits and fairness checks. The judgment came in response to a case filed by NEET PG aspirants from 2017 to 2018 who had approached the Allahabad High Court. The High Court awarded them 10 lakh rupees each, but the Supreme Court revised it to 1 lakh rupees per petitioner, acknowledging reforms made since 2021. The court concluded with a call to restore transparency and merit in medical admissions and end the exploitative practice of seat blocking once and for all.